So see over here, if I am choosing this API, then what happen? Your app will be run on the approximately 98.6% of the devices. Means whatever the devices are present, Android cell phones, it is available 98.6% we people can able to use using by this API 24. If you are choosing something another, suppose I'm choosing something, API 360 360, right? If we are using that, now see, only 4% people we can use this. Means this is the very high tech high tech phone we have. Means we need to be choose something downgraded. So what is that, our one previously 26, right? This one, am I right? Okay, and this one means who having to the Oreo version, it is started from over here. So see over here, 97% people can use. If you can take to the this is 25. See, then what happened? More people can able to use. Are you getting? So version is matter. Every Android system having their own version, right? So suppose if you are using to the downgraded, then what happened? It is supported to the your all applications. Okay, when you done that, after later what happened? This is, it's a recommended, we cannot able to put over here, we need to put over here only. Okay, now after later, let's click on to the finish button. Now see, it generated everything, project will be started. Okay, it's take a time. Okay, after later, this is surface when it will be open. We need to wait little bit. See, everything is installing right now. Okay, your Gradle should be the completed. Okay, it's take a time. See over here, everything should be the properly completed and finishing to the process, because the files after that your Gradle, everything is important. It's a necessary for your application. So don't close that. See over here, our full file structure we have. Let me just minimize that. See over here, I minimize, and let's see over here our building things. See, it's a building right now. See, installing everything. So it's download everything properly. Okay, it's take a time to the download also. It is taking to the few minutes. Let's completed everything. Okay, download information also. See, I think so it's completed. Let me see over here. Okay, minimize. Let me check. Gradle also completed. Okay. Let me see right now. Perfect. Okay. See, everything is done. Okay. I think so done that. Right now. If you can done that, see over here right now, understand the layout of your Android Studio, because it's little bit different other than your all tools. Okay, this is we have to their tool. Right now, see Android logo is present over here. After that, there we have to the few tabs are available, like a file tabs. If you want to be open project, if you want to be make a new project, right? So all files are available over here. After, if you want to be edit, like if you want to go to the backstep, or if you want to be a copy paste something, we have the all options are available over here. After that, view options, if you want to be changed to your view mode, because there whenever we are using to the Android application, there are a lot of views are present, right? So we need to be a properly select what exactly the we want, right? After later we have to the navigations, like a back, if you want to create the class file, if you want to create the file, there are a lot of stuffs are present over here. After that, code related, your after your what this over here, refactor related. Okay, building type, if you want to build application properly. After run, if you want to start your make the application. After SDK tools are available, device manager, if you want to be change the device, if you want to add the another mobile something, so you can able to add that. Okay, so there are a lot different things we are available. Okay, now if you can clicking outside, see it will be again getting that. See over here, this is your apps are ready, getting to the ready. See, first app number one. Okay, after that, version control also we can change to the version also. No device are available, we are not using any device over here. See, your app is app only. If you can click over here, then what happen, your application start to the build. Okay, but we don't want to build right now. After later, you can see over here, if you want to debug means what, if you want to be change code, if you want to test something, so we can debug also that. After over here, lot of different options are available, minimize, maximize, and the closing window button. After this one, see, this is main part, your main application divided into the three major part. One is over here, this is your file explorer. See over here, are you getting your project explorer? Check it. This is important. Every whenever we are making to the project explorer is important, right? Okay, see exactly over here, two particular files is made. One is your app, main application. You can see over here inside we have the different files are available. Okay, let me close that. After over here we have to the grid what that gridle script means, exactly for building purpose, whenever you want to build the application configuration version control, every files are available over here. This is we are not going to be change anything. Okay, so let me close it that one also. This is your file explorer first. After later whenever you are opening any file, so what happens, suppose I'm going over here inside and suppose I'm choosing any file, suppose let me cancel that. Okay, see over here cancel. So right now I don't have available over here anything, right? So if you can clicking any file, so it will be opening in the middle. Are you getting that? So you know that if you have the VS code also, what happened over here, we have to the file explorer. If we can click that particular file, it will be open over here, right? But another part which one VS Studio we don't have, that is called this one, Gradle, right? Or Gradle means what happened, you have over here when you are making to the application, we can able to see the device. See over here, see right now if I'm clicking over here, there is no any device. Okay, so there is no any device, we can add the device also. Okay, we will create our virtual machine, means what happened, we can create over here one your phone. Okay, so you can able to see that your apps inside of your phone, means it's not like that you need to be install that gridle. Okay, after that you need to be take the particular one phone, and then after we need to be a check on your phone, right? But the thing is what, you can use your phone also. Just we need to use to the your USB cable attach with your phone, and after just click over here, this is run button, automatically application will be installing in your phone also physically. Quick. Okay, there is not taking time. Now apart from that, what exactly we need to do, let's go to the step by step. Right now I want to be a hide that. Okay, let's understand to the, okay, over here also, the build means what happened whenever we are building something. See over here, like previously we are building to the things, right? So it is building to the over here. After that, important is over here, whenever something problem is getting, it will be showing over here project error also. Right now we don't have any error. Over here we have to the terminal also, right? If you want to be installed directly inside of your application anything, so we can install over here using by your terminal like a CMD type, right? After that, over here we have to the version control also. So version control is the another thing. Okay, we are not controlling any version right now. Okay, let's go to the back again. So these things we have to the present. Now before we are doing anything, let's understand exactly the your structure of apps. Okay, now see, first we have to the, whenever you are creating to the project, two main folders will be created. Number one, apps, means your app, full your Android applications you are making over here inside of the app. And another one over here, Gradle script means what, simply over here, related to the your building, means whenever you are installing to the application, the automatically building the things, so it will be present over here. Let me reduce that. Okay, I'm opening this application app right now. So in whenever we are open to the app, see, three main folders are there. One is the manifest, right? Second is what, your Java, and third one is your repository, or we can say as a res. Okay, I forgot to the full form about to the res, but there we have to the properly full form for that. Okay, now let's check that inside of the manifest file. Okay, manifest file inside main file is important, this one. Are you getting? Let me open that. See, this is file. Okay, Android manifest.xml. This is important file. Let me just drag this down. This is important file for your application, means this is the starting point of your app. Okay, see over here, I already added the information also inside of that. See, if I'm going to be a scroll down, this is your installation part, all the properly the I put it to the how to install that, everything. Check over here, everything is there. Some particular option is not open because of the reason I already installed that, so it's automatically understand. So but the file we have, you can able to see that using by this one. Okay, now after, let me scroll down properly. See over here, we choose to the empty view activity. Okay, now let's go to the, see over here. Okay, file structure and everything. Okay, let's go over here. So first file we have, what is that first file? Android manifest file.xml. What is the use of this file? This is a like the identity card of your Android app. Okay, means the main file, it is telling to the Android what your app contain and what it can do, means what exactly my app can able to do. it is showing to over here in this file. It's including like what exactly inside of that file, app name. Are you getting that? After letting